Can sexual compatibility save a failing relationship?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Well, look at the
No.
boys and look at the
Yes.
girls' POV.
No.
Yeah.
Kasi if it's failing, sex
Yeah.
na lang yung nag-glue sa inyo.
Shit.
Like you can get that elsewhere.
Shit.
But if you're in a relationship for like compatibility and emotional maturity, and you're just there for sex, then
Yeah.
that's not the right
Yeah.
person for you.
Hindi rin,
It's
hindi
like this,
rin.
no? When you're trying to move on, for example, you sexually go with that person, but your compatibility.
No,
relationship-
siguro it can hold you for a time.
That person.
I mean, it can make you stay for a while.
Pero pag nalalasing ka doon ka magdadrive sa bahay ng tao na yon.
Oo nga.
Oh,
Pero,
di ba?
sabay ganun.
I'm here in
Oo
your
nga.
parking lot.
Oo nga. Pero hindi pa rin. Hindi pa rin yun magiging reason
Okay.
that you'll stay with
Sa
the
pillow talk na lang
relationship.
yun. Basta.
Fubo na lang kayo pag gano'n.
Fubo na lang kayo pag ganun. Kumbaga parang wala nang, ano yun,
Walang itch-itch
wala na siyang love talaga. I mean, nandun pa rin yung love. Pero if it's failing na talaga, I don't think it...
Murahan na yun.
Oo,
Sampalan.
wala na.
Hindi, wait
murahan.
lang. What's your justification for the...
Sabay ganun na, wait lang.
What's your justification for the sexual thing?
Oo, basta ginagalingan. Galingan
So
lang.
kahit...
Ganun, so kaya pang i-hold
Oh,
yung...
yeah.
Oh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Phoebe, alam mo na.
Guys kasi, no?
Yeah.
Oo.
Hindi ako na-impress though. Parang it's not a good answer, right?
No.
Di tayo magjowa dito.
Oh,
No,
nga.
no,
Hindi
like
kayo-
I'm just saying, like from a guy's point of view, if that guy just really clung on to the sex.
No, I mean, I'll work on the relationship. It's just that, we are pro at the other aspect.
O, sige,
Hindi, kasi
ganito.
siguro iba kasi sa lalaki. Kasi ano sila eh. They're more of sexual talaga eh. Yun
The
yung
girls are
hold
like
nila
needy.
eh. Oo.
So ganito.
Feeling,
So kung
emotional.
nasa sitwasyon ka ni Marilyn kanina, ganun na yung relasyon niyo, pero ang ganda nung sex. Putangin na tindi.
Hindi.
Wala pa rin. I mean like,
Pag you're having sex, murahin mo siya. Di ba? That's how you do it. That's how you get them back. Kaya pwede na ako mag-drop.
Okay.
hindi eh. I don't know. For me, parang hindi pa rin siya makakasave.
Yep.
Yeah.
But you stayed for a long time.
I know.
Hey. And you too.